He's not going to be able to pull this off, is he?
Oh,
is he?
Yeah!
Randy Orton, backbreaker.
And he's letting his prey stumble right into his trap.
Goes under the ropes and into the ring. Oof. Counter right when it was needed.
Oof.
And Roman fights back.
Trading back and forth blows now.
Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this. Big shots being fired right now. Neither competitor letting up. What impressive determination from both competitors. Keeping at each other no matter what. Exhaustion setting in, and neither one of them is letting up.
Ooh! Who will break first? That is the question. Bam!
Fist after fist, neither one relenting here.
And just like that, the scales are imbalanced.
Randy Orton. Oh,
nice backbreaker. He's still reeling, and more punishment is incoming. KO! That could finish off Roman.
2. And gets the win, but at what cost?
Here is your winner, the Viper, Randy Orton.
Randy Orton leaves here with the victory.
You can never count the Viper out, and we just saw why once again here tonight.